We got all the accessories there. Accessories here. Take more accessories. The main unit here. So you gotta take the accessories out first. Well, this is my new Hoover Platinum Upright Vacuum Cleaner I got a few days ago, and like it a lot. Picks up real well. Pretty high tech too. The sound is actually pretty good. Doesn't have that high shrill vacuum noise that you normally get from vacuum cleaners. It's really annoying to your ears. This one's inside of the bag. They've got dampening. It's got like padding in it. It's pretty thick. See this padding right here? This is where the noise comes from, really, with these bag vacuums. But they've got that padding in here, so it really does a good job of keeping the noise down. And one thing I like, this that you saw in the photos, these light up blue, which is really nice. And you get high for normal carpeting, and then if you go to a hardwood floor, or if you got some type of carpet, maybe a Berber carpet, or some type of maybe high power carpeting, put it on low, and the brush doesn't go as fast. This vacuum is automatic height adjustment, which is really nice, and it's got a really bright LED. I think the LEDs are lifetime, if I remember right. Yeah. Anyway, but this is where the LED is, right in here. The bag's pretty good size. You get from the very bottom here all the way up to right here for your dirt. This is for air circulation here. This is the canister here, and this is real lightweight, very convenient. It's got a telescopic wand here, and you just press on this, and it gets longer and longer. Keep pressing it, and it gets pretty long. And it attaches to this here. It's got a little thing you attach on here for two of your attachments for the canister. This one here, an upholstery brush, crevice. This is a crevice brush here, and then of course you got your the floor attachment for hardwood floor. I've used this already. It works real well, and it's got kind of like what I call fur, but some kind of nylon stuff that picks up hair and what have you. You just clean that off. And you got your strap here, shoulder strap. One of the things that I saw in another review, person wanted to know about getting something to make the strap where it goes over your shoulder or make it wider. One of the things I suggested to her I'm going to get is go to any place that sells automotive stuff, and the seat belt they make those seat belt extensions, and they're made out of like sheepskin or something, and you put over the existing seat belt where it hits your shoulder or whatever. You can those slide on. You can slide that right onto this, and make it a little more comfortable when you're have it on your shoulder. This is the exhaust for the canister. We got it on both sides here, this side and this side here. So it really doesn't, it is pretty warm. It shouldn't, it may, you know, you may get some wind on your hip, you know, depending on where you have that on, you know, how you have it adjusted on your shoulder. But it wasn't really a problem for me. Because you can always adjust the shoulder strap too. Y'all to hear it. I don't know if it'll pick up through my iPhone 4, but the sound on this thing is pretty good. It's in low right now. You see the LEDs on there. It's pretty bright. Shines on the floor pretty good. Now, because the vacuum's new and the brushes are real long and they're not worn at all, the vacuum might act like it's self-propelled, but it's not. It'll go on its own. That's because the brushes are still long. I put it on high, I was really staying still, because before it was moving. So it's on high right now. As you hear, it doesn't have the high shrill sound. It's more of a much lower dampening sound. Put it on low. Now this light here will stay on as long as it's plugged in. That way you always know it's plugged in. But I'm very happy with this vacuum cleaner. I got it at Amazon.com, and I got it for $214 some change. That's the lowest it's been since Christmas, and it was like $189 I think during Christmas. And but I highly recommend this vacuum. Like I said, it's got a 6-year warranty. So this is the top of the line for Hoover, for vacuum cleaners. I've had the you know, cheaper vacuums before, you know, the ones that anywhere from $60 to $160, and they lasted a few months, and then things start breaking down on them after a few months. And so I figure spend a little more money and get a good warranty and don't have the headache of things breaking. So I'm looking forward to a lot of years with having a good vacuum cleaner, having something that's reliable, and I highly recommend this vacuum. So thank you for watching the review.